Hi everyone! We forgot to say hi. This is Ella and Ella's mommy Ann. We're from the best family show ever, and we're playing PBS Play and Learn, or Learn and Play. I'm not sure what order it is, but it's fine. Okay, let's do bath time. Okay, I got it.
The hot bath water has steamed up the mirror.
Ooh.
Use your finger to write on the
Yeah,
mirror.
you love doing that in the shower, right, Ella? This is the mirror and the steam on it, so you're writing the letter S.
Seahorse.
For seahorse.
I just use this flash.
Kayak starts with the letter K.
Oh,
Can you
kayak
write
starts
an
with the letter
uppercase K on the mirror?
Yeah, we love doing that on the mirror.
K.
K.
Kayak.
For kayak. Yes.
Hippopotamus starts with the letter
Ooh,
H.
this
Can
is
you write
this
an
is
uppercase
the letter
H
that starts
on the
with
mirror?
Hugo's name.
H.
And Daddy.
And Daddy, yeah.
Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus. And it starts with a hippopotamus.
Monster starts with the letter
Oh,
M.
monster starts with
Write
an
a
M.
lowercase m on the mirrr.
M. Wow, you're doing good tracing with my finger.
Yes.
Wow, that's amazing.
It's easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Ooh,
Alligator
easy
starts
peasy lemon
with the
squeezy.
letter A.
This is in my name.
Write
Oh,
a
this is
lowercase
A. Yes, this is
A.
in your name.
It's in my name.
A.
Oh,
Alligator.
for alligator. Mm-hmm. Okay, bye, alligator.
Starts with the letter P. A
A
lowercase p
For
on the
penguin.
mirror.
Oh, yes, P for penguin.
P.
For penguin.
Penguin.
Hence easy peasy.
Oh, penguin's easy peasy?
There's
Or the
something
letter
in the
P is
bathtub.
easy peasy?
Tap on the water to find out what it is. Turtle starts with the letter T. Write a
Turtle.
lowercase
Yeah, starts
T
with the letter
on the
T.
mirror. T.
I can make one. See, look.
Turtle.
It's just it's a T-pose.
It's a T pose. Okay. Okay, let's do
Jellyfish
another one.
starts with the letter J.
Oh, J.
J. J.
You just see that? I made my this and then I made my poop. Then I went.
Draw
Wow,
or write
that's
anything you
awesome.
want to on the steamed up mirror. Tap on
Okay.
the water if you want to erase the drawing.
Ooh, okay, let's do your name. Why don't you do your name? E. Yeah, wow, that's a nice E. L. L. A. Wow, that's awesome. Okay, now
I
you
want to
draw something. Draw something now.
Who?
I don't know. Draw your heart, funny heart, happy faces that you do. Yeah.
It's an emoji.
Okay, draw the emoji, the heart emoji.
AM.
Oh, that's not a heart emoji. Oh, that's a heart emoji.
So big.
Oh, that's a happy face with hearts in the eyes.
And
Do you
outside
want
the
to
heart.
keep yes.
Okay, let's draw bigger. Draw it bigger so you can see the heart emoji. Yeah. Wow. Okay, that's a big happy face.
Didn't you make smile when 16?
Wow. Yes, you use that emoji a lot.
And he is so happy. And
He's so happy.
He is in love and he's like, want to.
Yeah, he's so happy he's learning with you. Yeah, I wonder if our fans are happy that they're learning with us. Huh?
Mommy.
Yeah. What?
You never to say.
Say
You
what?
love our fans.
Yeah, we love our fans. That's right. You say it. You can say it too.
And never to.
Okay, what are we doing now? We're gonna.
What do you want to draw?
I want to draw. Maybe a bird.
I know how to draw a bird.
You know how to draw a bird?
That looks like a hamster.
Yeah. See, eyeball.
and
Woo!
the way you just make it with stress.
Okay, let's
No,
see.
I wanted to try to draw a bird.
Let's see if we can do
Mommy,
another
I
bath
wanted to try a bird.
Okay, how about we do the in the garden?
In the garden.
I was
Okay,
about to
we do
press
in the
it.
garden.
I'm not Susie Hannah.
Play.
Okay, play.
Look for patterns in the beautiful garden.
Oh, it's
Each
do
row
patterns.
of flowers has a rule. Something that keeps repeating over and over.
No, you can't do that.
Plant
You have
a
to go
row
like
of
this.
flowers that has the same pattern
Yes.
as this one.
You have to make
Drag
the
a
same
seed
pattern.
from the seed packet to plant
Yes.
a flower. That flower doesn't fit the pattern.
Oh,
Try
there
a
we
different
go.
flower.
Don't do it too fast because you might make a mistake on the pattern. Wow, that was fast. I didn't see any plants grow that fast ever.
What the heck? It's like boop, boop.
What happens over and over in this
I
row?
know this.
Oh, okay,
Plant
so you
another
do
row
this
of
pattern
flowers
now.
that looks just like this row.
Wow. Amazing. Do you get the pattern? Yes, I bet you do. I bet you're learning a lot from Ella, right? Yay!
I'm stepping like this. Like my hands like this.
How does the order of the flowers repeat
did I just
in this row?
Okay, let's do
Oh,
the
this
order
one
of the
was the
flowers.
bunny.
Beautiful flowers,
Red,
just
and
like
then
it.
yellow, and
Okay.
then blue, red, and then
Oh.
then
That
yellow,
Yellow.
and
flower
then
doesn't
blue.
fit the
Uh-huh.
pattern.
Then
Try a
red.
different flower.
Oh, then yellow. And then blue. Yeah, that was
I'm just
awesome.
gonna do both with this.
Yeah, you learned your colors at the same time,
I'm
right?
just flat.
What?
I know how to make a heart, like it.
Plant a row of flowers that has the same pattern as this
Okay.
one.
Yes.
Drag a seed
I don't
from
think
the
they can
seed
see your
packet
teeny
to plant
heart.
a flower.
Yes, they can.
Okay, how?
Wee!
Okay. Okay, another pattern to do. Say the colors when you do the pattern so
Think
our
about
fans
what
can
keeps
learn. Yeah.
What happens over and over?
Oh.
That
Yellow,
flower
Oh.
doesn't fit the pattern.
Okay,
Different
start again.
flower.
blue,
Oh, that's not blue.
Yellow.
No.
blue.
No,
yellow,
Ella, that's yellow.
Blue,
Okay, say it properly. Okay, now what color are you doing? What's the next color? Blue.
yellow, blue.
Okay, yes, you got it right this time. Mm-hmm.
This
Oh,
one is an owl.
that's an
I
owl.
do that.
What
It's
happens
an
over and
owl.
over
Wow.
in this row?
Okay, let's
Plant
do this
another
one.
row of flowers that looks just like this row.
Easy peasy. Okay.
Think about what keeps repeating.
Oh, you're not saying the
What
color.
happens over
Remember,
and
we're trying to
over?
teach our fans.
Blue,
Yeah.
wood,
That flower doesn't
oh.
fit the pattern.
blue,
Try a
Yes.
different flower.
wood.
Okay, good
Mommy,
job.
guess what animal it's gonna be?
It's a rabbit.
Mommy?
Oh, what animal is that? That's a bird.
It's not.
Does
Yeah,
the
that's-
I
order
had
of the
this
flowers
thing, right?
repeat
Yeah, some
in
birds
this
have
row?
that thing on it.
Plant another
Okay, remember
row
we
of
have to say the
beautiful
color.
flowers just like it.
Okay, what's the first color?
Think
Blue.
about what keeps
Yellow,
repeating.
red,
Oh,
doesn't fit
oh,
the
it's
pattern.
not red. Look.
Try a different
What color
flower.
is this? You didn't get the first one either. Blue. Okay, now what color is in between yellow and blue? What color is this? Purple.
Think about what keeps repeating.
Hmm?
What happens
now what?
over and over?
yellow,
Yellow.
blue,
That flower
Oh,
doesn't
blue.
fit the pattern.
No.
Try a
Purple.
different flower. Think about
Oh.
what keeps repeating.
What
happens
color is
over
that?
and
Blue.
over?
Blue. Okay, Ella, concentrate. Sit down properly. What's the next color? What's the next color? That's
That
not the
flower
next
doesn't
color.
fit the pattern.
Look at the next color.
Tulip.
What's the next color? Yellow. Good job. And then
blue.
purple. Yes.
I'll laugh it again.
A rabbit again. Oh, I should have said rabbit this time. Then I
Plant
would have
your
got it
own
right.
road.
We're going to do at a
Oh,
party.
presents.
Yeah, we're going to do at a party. Okay, let's go.
At a party.
I'm supposed to bless it.
Oh, Sadi. Okay, let's press play.
Play.
I'm supposed to bless it.
It's time for a birthday party.
Ooh,
Help
we're gonna
wrap
have a
the
birthday
presents.
party. Wow! Yeah, that fit in the big box for sure. Mm-hmm.
Choose the box that is the right shape for the red guitar.
Oh, yes. Good job. That
Anyway,
was a very
boop.
large present.
Boop. Anyway, boop.
Choose a box that is the right size and shape
Okay.
for the binocular.
Yes, the square. Mm-hmm. Good job.
That thing for shopping man.
Mm-hmm.
Finish packing the box so you can wrap the present.
Okay.
Drag the gift to the box. Tap to turn it until it fits.
Okay, that fits. Oh, yo. That doesn't fit. Okay, that fits. Pow! Good job. Good packing, Ella.
I just use the
The
pencil.
horse needs a rider. Find a way to rider.
Oh yeah.
Tap on the toy to turn
Oh
it
my
so it
god.
will fit in the
His
box.
butt is on his face.
His butt is on his face. Come on.
Yeah, look.
Okay. Oh, you did it too much
See, like his
again.
butt is on his face.
Oops, it doesn't fit that way. Turn
Oh,
it
stop.
until it
Oh,
fits
no.
in the box.
Okay, stop. Make sure you stop in time.
Hey, why did you do that to me?
Horse.
Okay, there. Don't press it again. Good job.
I'm not trying to bite it.
No, give it to me.
Add the screwdriver to the
Ella,
box
you have to concentrate
complete the
in
tool
school.
set.
Okay, what are you doing? Oh, does that fit?
Oops, it doesn't fit that way. Turn it until it fits in the box.
Nope. Oh, stop! Oh.
I know that you're gonna have
Tap on
to
the toy
yell.
to turn it. So
Okay,
it
you
will
still have
fit
to
in
turn
the
it more
box.
because it is not fitting. It's not fitting, right? Everyone, tell Ella when to stop.
Oops, it
I
doesn't
didn't even
fit
press
that
it 2
way.
times to even make.
Turn it until
Okay,
it
there.
fits in the box.
Good job. See, it fits like that. Okay, we're gonna do another
Can you
one
guess
and make
what the
sure.
present is?
Oh,
Tap on the toy that you
oh, we can
think
guess what
is
the
in the
present
box.
is. What do you think is in
Choose
the
the
present?
toy you think is in the box shaped like.
Good job, the hammer. Good job, the hammer.
Choose the toy you think is in the small square box.
Oh, the ball. Yeah, that was a small box, actually.
Choose
let's
the
go.
toy you
Guess what
think
it is.
is in the box
I think it's in
shaped like
the
a
piggy
rectangle.
bank.
Yes.
What do you think it is? Yes. You probably got it right too, right? Yeah.
Now
That's like
you'll
the
guess
smallest
again.
thing
You'll
that will
guess
Do
fit
you
again.
in
want
that
to
box.
keep playing?
Now we'll play again.
You want to play again? Okay. Want to play one more game or you want to be done?
Done.
Okay. We had so much fun in this game called PBS Parents. It's a free game, so make sure to check that out and have family fun learning. Yeah, or you can just play with us and just have fun with us, right?
Okay.
Yeah, like and subscribe.
The
And
like button.
and we thank you so much, fans, for watching. Until next time, family fun learning. Bye.